Hello and welcome to this video. Today we'll be covering how to install the Exit Point Integrator, or EPI for short, software package onto your IBM system. For the purposes of this demonstration, I have already downloaded the save file. If you don't have this yet, you can get it from our website, and I'll be leaving a link in the video description below. So the first thing that we need to do is use the lod_run command, and we will point it at the save file that we've downloaded. And what this will do is extract the software and then run a program to handle some of the initial installation tasks for us. This may take a couple of minutes depending on the power of your system. So as you can see, all of the objects from the save file have restored. And if I look at the library EPI 2106, we can see all of our objects there. Now, what you will also find is a user profile EPI has been created and is the owner of those objects. If we look at the user, you'll see that it has all special authorities. This can be reviewed if needed. However, the main reason for this is to ensure that all of the exit programs can be executed correctly. The first thing that we wish to do is to check whether the subsystem has been created. So what we will do is use the workobj command and look for a subsystem in the library that we have just created. As you can see, it does not exist. So what we will do is add the library to our library list and then call the make subsystem command. This will generate the subsystem and two jobs under it and set them up to run. So as you can see there, we now have our subsystem and its two monitors. The next thing to do is to ensure that there is a journal set up for the software to log to. So we will just check and we can see that it is not there. So we will use the create journal receiver command. I prefer to reduce the threshold for the journal receiver, but that is entirely your choice. And let's make sure we give it a good text description so that it is clear to everyone what it's being used for. Now that we've done that, we will create the journal. On this particular partition, rather than having the journal messages go to syshopper, I know that there is a message queue already set up called journ messages in queue user sys, so we will send the messages there instead. Everything else can be left as default. Now that all of our objects are in place, we will run the Epi Properties command. And what you'll see here is a basic overview of the software. You can see that it has detected that I'm on a 7.2 partition. I am on PTF group 21084. And at the bottom here, you will see the information necessary to register a license key should you wish to continue using the software after the trial has completed. For now, what we want to do is change our Epi Properties flag here for hold. So the software is now released and is ready for use. And to confirm that, I can go into the EPI menu and you'll see here all of the menu options that are available to me. In subsequent videos, we'll be demonstrating some of the ways you can use these options, including step-by-step guides to give you a taste of what the software can do. So I would encourage you to subscribe and keep an eye out for new videos as they are released. If there are any particular procedures that you are interested in seeing, by all means leave a comment, and if it's possible, we'll quite happily take suggestions from the crowd. If you enjoyed this video, please do click like, and otherwise I hope to see you in future videos that we'll be releasing in this series.